dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they headed.
4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody